question I often get here in myEcon and a lot of the times on my YouTube videos here is, Daniel, can you guarantee that I will make money with myEcon? And the answer to that is, well, I'll tell you that at the end of the video, but I want you to see this first and understand what's actually happening here. So really quick, for those of you guys that don't know me, what's up? DK here. Welcome to my channel. Good to have you here. I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon, been with the company since 2018. We have put together a front-end marketing system for myEcon called the Funnel Team, and it's something that we've been using for years, and it works extremely well. If you watch this video all the way through, I'm going to show you a little bit about what we are, what we do, all that sort of stuff, and you can learn a little bit more about myEcon and the funnel team and why what we do works so well. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave you an end card where I'll show you the full 30-minute presentation, and I'll take you through step by step a little more in detail of what I'm going to show you here in this video. Now, if you're new to the channel, if you're just checking out myEcon, you're checking out my channel, looking for ways to make money online, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you can be first anytime I upload new content. Now, if you're looking at myEcon, plain and simple, this is the best compensation plan that I've ever seen. And straight up math, forget about my opinion, it is the highest dollar per person per renewal in the marketplace today. And I've done the comparisons. I have multiple side-by-side videos where I show you other compensation plans compared to myEcon's compensation plan. But back to the question of, can we as the funnel team or myEcon or myself guarantee that you'll make sales? Well, a little while ago, we put together a Facebook group outside of our main Facebook group. We have our own funnel team Facebook group where we do all our live training. We go live 5 times a week. And, that's where we have over 6,000 members in there. And we put together a Facebook group here, which is something that the average public can join. Our other Facebook group are over 6,000 people. That's members only. That's paying members only. Okay. Here, this is anybody can join this because we wanted you guys to actually go and see the results. And, every single week we're bringing on hundreds of new members, and we encourage them to come over here when they make a sale, whether it's their first sale or any sales, and shout out what they're seeing, what they're going through with the funnel team system and myEcon. So, Cynthia stated here, Netflix and chill is okay as long as you're making money while doing it. And she just posted that, she made a sale while just sitting back and watching Netflix based on obviously what she's learning with our team. Mark, so happy for my first sale. This is awesome. Okay. Sim, happy to get my first global sale. Absolutely awesome. Sim is from Canada. So again, if you guys don't know this, myEcon is now global in almost every country around the world, over 150 countries as of this video. And as far as I know, they're adding more countries in. Also, little just hint, they're going to be working on those pesky little states that are here in the United States that myEcon is not available in, and looking to make those active. So little update for you there. Okay. But it's great to see people joining from other countries and turning around and making sales, which is absolutely awesome. Mary posted just a couple days ago at the time of this video, yes, it works. Consistency. So she made a nice little EBM sale. That's a $100 sale right there, which is really cool. Cynthia making even more sales. And that ZTM, you guys see that ZTM right there, that is a global sale. So myEcon Cynthia sponsored someone in another country, which is awesome. Okay. Yep. Lori just received a notification. My first commission check will be deposited. Awesome stuff right there. Okay. One of my posts right there, 10 sales in a single day, utilizing our system right there. Oliver says this program is awesome, easy to learn, low cost, no upsales. Catherine, one of our leaders, is a great coach. Awesome stuff right there. 20 days in and I'm feeling it. Made her first sale. Absolutely awesome. Love seeing that. One of my favorite things, and we shout this out in our Facebook group all the time, is when we have brand new people that make their first sale. And I would say most new members, I can't say every new member, but most new members make their first sale in their first 30 days. Okay. So again, if we're going to ask the question, are sales guaranteed? Well, what you're looking at and what you're seeing here is the average new member that comes in is making their first sale in 30 days. Okay. So pretty awesome right there. Okay. Elin, here's the proof. This is my first sale ever. When you do the work, stay consistent, you get results. So again, another brand new first timer making sales. Jason says, just had an awesome surprise when I got home from my job. Truly blessed to be part of this amazing community. So super awesome stuff right there. Stay consistent, be authentic, follow the trainings. Having real conversations pays off. Beth making a sale right there. Catherine made over $200 in commissions in less than 7 hours. Multiple sales in one day. And you can see right here, I mean, look at these sales. There's 2 global sales and 2 EBMs. So 2 $100 sales, 2 global sales. Absolutely awesome right there. Shannon says 5 sales within the last 24 hours. Really, really cool. Cynthia, again, making more sales. Catherine, again, making more sales. Nicole, love this team. Excited to be part of something that is truly real. 8 sales in 4 days. Now, let's get real here for a second. So a lot of people making a lot of sales, making a lot of money. Everyone does it a little bit different, but let me tell you what the one common denominator is that every single one of these people have. So all the people that are making sales, whether it's their, fourth sale in a day or it's their very first sale, the one common denominator that they all have is they all went through this team training site right here. And this is the free marketing and training system that is provided to you for free when you activate your myEcon business. Doesn't matter what level you come in at, you get access to this. This training system and everything in and around it is valued at over $10,000. When you click the end card here at the end of this video to see my full presentation where I walk you through this entire training site, I literally show you the price points. I show you how much it cost to build it all out. It's over $10,000 between integration tools, email autoresponders, video hosting, apps, sales funnels, page builders, all of those things. Those things all cost money, so even though it's free to you, these things cost money, but we give that to you as part of your myEcon membership. But the one common denominator that every person that goes through and makes their first sale in their first 30 days, they all started right here. And it literally all starts with this one video right here. This one video that says, start here, watch this first. And we explain exactly what's going to happen, what you need to do, how you need to do it, when you need to do it. And those people follow the steps. They plug into our email list. They plug into our Facebook group of over 6,000 people. Again, where we train you live 5 times a week. Okay. You go and you set up your app. Yes, we give you a free app so you can run your entire business. This is different from the myEcon app. And I've had a few people be confused on this. myEcon does have its own app where you can have all of your myEcon back office stuff available at your fingertips. Our team has our own exclusive app that was custom designed just for us. And this is where, yes, you can run your entire business because it has all your myEcon information in it. And it also has all of our sales funnels, our own exclusive training, your leads. You get a cha-ching notification on your phone when you generate a lead in real time. So you can see that someone's on your sales funnel right now, and you can email, text, call them all from that app. In our training site, we're going to show you how to start promoting, where to promote, how to promote. We're actually going to give you the content. We show you how to use your myEcon membership, like I just mentioned. Okay. What to do when you get a sale, what to send your member, how to get them right back here to the team training site so you can plug them in. Our vault, this is where all of our content is. This is where all of our additional training is. And then you have your bonuses. Inside of your bonuses, there's 3 courses that are valued at over $2,200. YouTube University, Social Mastery Blueprint, Scalability Pro. These courses all retail individually $500, $700, $1,000. They're all yours free. Plus, there's other additional bonuses in there like Craigslist posting software, our sales rotators, so many other things. So if you want that information, I have a link in the description down below, or you can click the end card here at the end of this video once this video is over, and you can jump over and watch that full tutorial. So let's now try to answer the question. Can we guarantee that you will make sales when you get started with myEcon and the funnel team? Well, legally, I can't tell you that your sales are guaranteed. But what I can tell you is there's a really good chance, really freaking good chance that you could make sales and most likely make sales in your first 30 days when you get started with the funnel team and myEcon, because we've seen the documentation. And as you know, documentation beats conversation. I could make video after video and tell you over and over again, like I do, that what we have works, or you could just go do it because we have the documentation to back it up. So if you're looking for a business, a legitimate business with a real company that's been around for 20 years in the industry, that has real products and services that truly do help people, and a proven and documented system valued at over $10,000, and you want to get that absolutely free, my friend, link in the description down below. Get yourself started. If you have any questions at all, my phone number is right at the top of this video. Send me a text message, ask me anything, or drop a comment down below. But if you're looking to build and grow, you're looking to make and save more right now in 2025, and you're looking for the right team, the right fit, the right opportunity that has proven and documented results, well, you don't really have to go anywhere else. Okay, we got it. We got you covered. So go ahead, hit those links in the description down below, get yourself started, or hit the end card right here at the end of this video right now, and I'll see you in my full tutorial. Otherwise, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. Really does help the channel, and you, my friend, will be the first to know anytime I put out new content. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.